I wanted to make this video because my voice is kind of wheezy. And my voice is kind of wheezy because I've been up there for the last few minutes trying to block this thing off. Where does it lead? Where does it go? Is it part of the radon mitigation system? Because I'll make a video in a few minutes and my voice will be fine. Yeah, I'm feeling better already, a little better, because before I couldn't prep my vegetables here and cook. I'd been running outside. Take me 5 tries just to make a meal. And I'm gonna go outside now. I think I'm gonna be okay now that that's blocked off.